Everybody's shame. Who are you? I have no more shame. She's like, how do I react? Okay, wait. Okay, we're gonna do a video. And it's gonna be extreme round. Okay.
That's what I was.
It was her idea. Oh, I found it.
Oh, you already.
I took a picture of you taking pictures.
Okay, get ready.
Wait, no, I need a couple. Shannon and I both need more cards.
Yeah, come on.
Don't be a cheapskate, bro.
Okay.
You left me with. We still have like nothing.
I still have like nothing.
Andrew.
Sean, turn around.
Thank you. You're already recording us?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
I can only play this with my...
Go. Go, keep going, Shannon. Oh. No, it's too late. Oh, it was a jack too. Okay. Wait, whose turn is it?
Whatever.
Okay, go.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This
isn't extreme enough, you guys.
Oh. Oh, dang it, Denise. I have to put one under. What is going on? Oh, dang it.
That's too hard. That's way too hard.
Okay.
You know what else is too hard?
I knew right when I said that, I'm like,
Go.
nope.
No, we're done.
I don't give a shit. Go.
Oh.
Get me out the car.
Oh my god.
Okay, I think we're done.
Guys, get your cards together. We're playing another.
Can we play regular? This is too much.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I wonder if I'll get in trouble for standing up on a chair.
No, it's mine.
Shannon, get out!
Yeah. I was like,
So bad at this.
Go.
It's not even funny.
oh, dang. Okay, it's on there and now.
This is the most painful.
Oh, there you go. Oh,
Go.
okay.
No.
No,
Oh,
you can put one under. 1, 2, 3. Oh, dang.
Whoa. I love how you and I just.
I can't even do it.
Pulls.
Damn it.
I love how in Vivian's video, all you're gonna hear in the background, no matter what she takes, is just.
I haven't gone in a while.
What do you want?
I should have gone.
Close up on your face, bro.
I'm not looking. What's
Yeah, you're like, oh, okay.
Go.
I don't want to play that. I don't want to play that.
Okay.
Go.
I win!
Oh, dang.
No!
Oh.
Oh, I'm apparently the official starter now.
Definitely.
Shannon, so we have an order now. You
Wait,
follow
what the
it.
heck? That doesn't count. You have to go one more.
Sorry. And Andrew didn't even.
It's like, they have 4 cards. 4!
Screw it.
Okay, I think.